Hi, my name is Jeff, and I have a grilling problem. I tried to join the Grilling Anonymous, but it really didn't work out for me. But I got some new toys today, and my wife was giving me a hard time because, according to her, I have too many barbecues. So let me give you a quick tour of what we got going on my back patio right now, and I'll let you decide if I have too many barbecues and smokers. So, like I said, I got two new ones today. So this is what I got today. I got a new Griller Silverback pellet smoker, and I already seasoned that today. And then I got a barrel house smoker that I'm currently seasoning, and I got one of my wife's dogs in the background there. Over here I have my trusty Weber propane grill. This one does great in a pinch when I want to do something real quick. And of course I've got my camp stove. There's a griddle for that somewhere. I have my Weber kettle with the propane assist for starting. And of course I have my bar here that I built out of pallets. And not lastly, but the last one I'm going to show today is my Revers Flow stick burner. And this is what I use a lot for most of my smoking. And way here in the background, that is my old smoker that I'm about to rip apart and probably sell the parts on, I don't know, eBay or one of the barbecue groups, just to get rid of the cast iron parts, because that one served its life, served it well, and finally started to rust through, which is why I got my new smoker. So in addition to what you've seen today, I also have a small travel smoker that I made out of a Weber Smoky Joe, I think. It's a little teeny one. And then of course I have another Smoky Joe, and then I have another kettle. So I think right now I'm up to 9, I think it's 9, is it? 9 or 10 barbecues and smokers in my backyard that my wife says that I have too many and I have a problem. So just thought I'd share that. My name is Jeff. I have a barbecue and smoking problem. And I hope you guys do too. See you guys later. Bye.